Hooking up your ollie to your tow vehicle. Your ollie is designed to be easy to tow and set up. It is important to your safety and others on the road that you tow your ollie with a tow vehicle that is rated appropriately to the model you have purchased. When determining if your vehicle is sufficient to tow an ollie, be aware of the actual tow rating of your vehicle stated by the manufacturer. Some manufacturers rate their vehicles based on the use of a weight distribution hitch being used when towing. Check with the manufacturer of your vehicle if you have questions regarding the tow limit. The Bulldog coupler that is used on your ollie was originally designed for the farming industry. It allows a 2-inch ball to articulate smoothly 360 degrees inside the joint of the coupler without coming off. If you plan to take your ollie off-road, you will find this a safe and pleasant feature. Between the recommended height of 23.5 inches and 25 inches off the ground, setting your ball at the recommended height will help provide optimal weight distribution and reduce the possibility of sway while towing. With the ball at the proper height, raise the front of the trailer using the front electric jack to allow enough clearance for the ball on your hitch. Using a spotter or backup camera, back your tow vehicle so that the ball is directly below the coupler. Open the coupler by pushing the lever forward. Be very careful when opening or closing the coupler to avoid getting fingers or skin pinched as it slides open or closed. With the coupler open, lower it onto the ball using the front electric jack. Once the Bulldog coupler is seated onto the ball, pinch the coupler in around the ball and slowly pull the lever back to slide the collar lock forward to secure the coupler from opening. We recommend securing the coupler from moving by inserting a lock or hitch pin through the hole on the Bulldog coupler and lever. Your ollie is equipped with 2 safety cables that you will need to connect to the tow vehicle's receiver. The purpose of the safety cables is to retain connection between the towing vehicle and trailer in the event of separation of the trailer coupling from the ball or the ball from the hitch long enough to bring the vehicles to a stop. By crossing the safety cables under the trailer coupler and attaching them to the tow vehicle with hooks, the safety cables act like a safety net in an emergency, catching the dislodged tongue. Depending on the design of your tow vehicle's receiver, you may need D-ring adapters to connect your safety cables. For additional safety, you connect the breakaway cable on your ollie to your receiver. In the case that your Oliver has become unhitched from the tow vehicle, this breakaway cable will engage the trailer's brakes once it is disconnected. Next, to connect the brake and turn signal lights from your tow vehicle to your ollie, connect your travel trailer's male 7-pin electrical connection to the 7-pin female connection on your tow vehicle. To help reduce corrosion of your 7-pin connection, we recommend applying dielectric grease on the 7-pin electric connection between your travel trailer and tow vehicle. Periodically, check the pins on the male plug on your trailer and female receptacle on your tow vehicle and clean when necessary. Always test your trailer's lights and brake lights before hitting the road to make sure they're working. And remember to check that the electric jacks have been raised to their maximum height to avoid damaging the electric stabilization jack system. Your trailer brakes are designed to work in synchronization with your tow vehicle's brakes. Never use your tow vehicle or trailer brakes alone to stop the combined load. If you plan to use a brake controller, it must be set up according to the manufacturer's recommendations to assure proper synchronization between the trailer and tow vehicle. The electric braking system will need to be burnished in according to the manufacturer's instructions in order to obtain optimal performance. This will allow the brake shoes and magnets to slightly wear in to the drum surfaces. To burnish in the brakes on your travel trailer, you will need to apply the brakes 20 to 30 times with approximately a 20 mph decrease in speed between braking. Allow ample time for the brakes to cool between application. Oliver also offers an optional weight distribution and sway control hitch by Anderson. The Anderson No Sway Weight Distribution Hitch is designed to help prevent swaying and bouncing, giving you a smooth and quiet ride. If you have added this option to your ollie, your delivery specialist will install this for you at delivery. See our Anderson hitch video to see how to add and remove the Anderson hitch when necessary.